Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you factory reset an MSI monitor without a PC. So here's a guide for your resetting your OSD, power cycle and defaults. Step 1. Turn on the monitor. Connect the monitor to power and turn it on. Step 2. Open the OSD menu. Press the joystick or menu navi button on the back or bottom of the monitor. Step 3. Go to settings. Navigate to settings, then go to setup and or system settings. Name varies by model. Step 4. Find reset option. Select reset and then go to factory reset or reset all settings. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Choose yes or OK when prompted. The monitor will restore its default settings. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.